Relative atomic and formula mass. Key learning points. Locate an element's relative atomic mass. Define relative formula mass. Calculate the relative formula mass for a compound. What is relative atomic mass? It is the mean relative mass of the atoms of the different isotopes in an element. It is the number of times heavier an atom is compared to 1/12 of a carbon-12 atom. It is also equal to the number of protons and neutrons in the atom. Example: the relative atomic mass of oxygen can be found next to the chemical symbol on the periodic table. Question 1. Using a periodic table, find the relative atomic masses of the following elements: A. Sodium, B. Lithium, C. Helium. Answer. Using a periodic table, find the relative atomic masses of the following elements: A. Sodium equals 22.99 B. Lithium equals 6.941 C. Helium equals 4.003. What is relative formula mass? The relative formula mass is the sum of the relative atomic masses of the atoms in a chemical formula. Example: the relative formula mass of hydrogen chloride, which is also known as hydrochloric acid, is 1.008 plus 35.45 equals 36.458. Second example is the relative formula mass of water. In this formula, there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom in a molecule of water. Here's the calculation: 2 multiply 1.008 plus 1 multiply 16.00 equals 18.016. Question 2. Calculate the relative formula mass of ammonia. Answer. There is 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen in a molecule of ammonia. Therefore, 14.01 plus 3 multiply 1.008 equals 17.034. Question 3. Calculate the relative formula mass of glucose. Answer. There are 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen in a molecule of glucose. So the calculation is 12.01 multiplied by 6 plus 1.008 multiplied by 12 plus 16.00 multiplied by 6 equals 72.06 plus 12.096 plus 96, which totals 180.156.